The growing season is upon us, and I'm going to transform my dining room into a seed starting station using botanical interest seeds, and I mean a lot of them. I picked up some epic seed cell trays. These are the 6 cells, and they are tough as nails. My favorite thing about them is that they're not going to break down, and when I'm ready to transplant, I'll be able to just pop my finger through this little hole, and the transplant is going to come right out. Easy peasy. Another thing that I love about them is they're available in pink, which, if you know me, you know that I love pink. So let's get these babies started. Here's an action shot of me sowing my seeds. Pretty happy. And then I'm moving them inside. 3 days later, I check them out. Is anybody growing? Anybody started? Oh, I got one. And the winner is actually not the veggies, not the herbs, but it's the flowers. So 3 days after being sown, the zinnia and the fennel are germinating. I'm spraying with a little bit of distilled water every day to keep it moist but not soaking, and I'm covering with plastic wrap. Oh, here's the aster. Looks like it's going to be a good year.